Question number 161. River Po flows in A. Malaysia, B. Thailand, C. Indonesia, D. Italy. And the correct answer is D. Italy. Question number 162. The biggest exporter of food is A. European Union, B. Japan, C. USA, D. Italy. And the correct answer is A. European Union. Question number 163. The largest producer of pig iron is A. USA, B. France, C. China, D. Indonesia. And the correct answer is C. China. Question number 164. The largest copper producing country is A. USA, B. Russia, C. Chile, D. Pakistan. And the correct answer is C. Chile. Follow Reti Educational Academy on Facebook, TikTok and WhatsApp. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. Question number 165. What is bedrock? A. The upper layer of the earth. B. The middle layer of the earth. C. The solid rock of the earth. D. A deep point in the mountain. And the correct answer is C. The solid rock of the earth. Question number 166. What is a basin? A. High area of land, B. Deep area of river, C. Low area of land, D. Deep area of ocean. And the correct answer is C. Low area of land. Question number 167. What is a contract? A. A large waterfall, B. Large rush of water, C. Both of these, D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Large waterfall. Question number 168. The term bore signifies A. To drill a well, B. A wave caused by tides, C. A wave caused by air, D. To extract water from the earth. And the correct answer is A. To drill a well. Question number 169. The theory continental drift is, and the correct answer is C. The earth lands masses moved throughout the time. Question number 170. Name the process by which the surface of the earth is warmed away. A. Hurricane, B. Windstorm, C. Cyclone, D. Erosion. And the correct answer is D. Erosion. Question